In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to watch out of market NFL games without Sunday ticket. Let's get started. First, NFL Plus Premium is one of the most affordable official option. It costs around $15 per month or $80 per year and gives you access to full game replays of regular season out of market games. The main catch is that regular season out of market games are not available live. Instead, you can watch the full replay after the live broadcast ends. NFL Plus Premium also provides live access to out of market preseason games. Another option is using a VPN with a streaming service you already subscribe to. After installing a VPN, you can connect to a server in another location and then use your streaming service. However, streaming providers may restrict or prohibit VPN use, so check the service terms before trying this method. Finally, there is NFL Red Zone. If you don't need to watch one specific team from start to finish, Red Zone is a great way to follow multiple Sunday afternoon games. It provides live whip around coverage, focusing on teams when they are close to scoring. Red Zone can be available through NFL Premium or as an add-on with certain live TV streaming services. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.